Dear friends, I'm life designer Vijay Tushar, and this is.
Hello everyone, I'm Tarveen Kaur, an image consultant and an international teacher trainer.
I'm an inspirational speaker, an entrepreneur, and an author. And we're so excited about this program that we are coming up with.
Absolutely, it's called the Inside Out,
Yes.
which is a one-day transformation program to work your way from inside out to enhancing your personality.
Yeah, so her topic is image power, and my topic is bending reality. So, when you have this inner confidence and an outer beauty, I think we can create magic and manifest whatever we want. So, are you excited to be there on the 3rd of March at Goregaon? Yes, do send in your entries to seminarvijay@gmail.com or
At connect@personify.com, and it's from 11 to 6. It's going to be a highly interactive, power-packed program. It's a one-time opportunity, and we have limited seats, so you know what you need to do.
yes, register as soon as possible, and we will be there because it's our mission to make you win. Yes, so stay tuned, and we'll be putting up more updates very soon. Thank you.
Rock it.
Yes, we're gonna rock it.